Hey, how you doing? This is Tom again, down in my workshop, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. If you're interested in shore radios, scanner radios, antennas, and old garbage, which is what I've been showing you lately, please subscribe. And if you click on that little bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get notifications when I do another one of these crappy videos. How about that? Okay, here we go. This, again, purging stuff from that old freezer, which I used for storing electronics. And most of the stuff I have not touched in, probably 10 years. So I don't know what's in there. Found this white box, and I got marked on the side, computer FM radio, RAM plus MSC chips. I wonder what this is. Very strange. So here's a manual, believe it or not. Express, well, this is the back of it. Express FM radio card user's guide. So this is a FM radio, and it fits in an 8-bit ISA. That's the type of connector on the motherboard in your computer. Now that is kind of dates it, because I don't think they use ISA cards anymore. And it comes with a dipole antenna, audio output cable, and a user's guide. So apparently what this is, or was, or can be, is a card that fit in your computer. Now again, keep in mind, this is, I don't know what technology, but it's pretty old. We'll see dates. And so it gave you an FM radio. So let's see, here's the card itself. That's interesting. It's steel sealed. I guess I never did. Yeah, it's still sealed. Well, would the value be greater if I leave it sealed? That's nice. This is totally useless junk. Oh, yeah, hold on a second. There we go. There we go. So there it is. All that to give you an FM radio, which nowadays is done on one chip. So there's like, a half a dozen integrated circuits, bunch of capacitors, a couple of coils, and then here's the ISA connector for your motherboard. Again, I don't think they use ISA connectors in computers anymore. And then this is what attaches to the back of your computer to hold it in place. And then this is the antenna jack. And here's another package. It's got the word Packard Bell on it. Connecting your FM radio antenna. There's an FM radio antenna. Trying to see. It's got a picture of a card. But no, this is, this looks like a standard, well, again, this is sealed. Looks like it's a standard radio, not for this card. So there's that. Here is the disc for the drivers to control the card. As you can see, it's on 3.5 inch disc. Many of you don't even know what this is. Long since removed from computers, so that dates it. Here's another cable. Don't know if, and then there's a whole bunch of parts, antique parts. So apparently this was one of those grab boxes at a ham fest, which I was dumb enough to buy. That's it. It's like, see, let me see if there's any other markings on the box. Let me close it up here. Nope, nothing on the bottom. So we got all these parts. Oh, this part's got a writing on it. Award. I think that award was a BIOS, which is the primary operating system of a computer, which boots it up and then loads in Windows or whatever. So that's a BIOS chip. Nowadays, those are not plug-ins, they're soldered in. And they don't look like a chip like that. So this is just a bunch of stuff from probably the 19... let's see if there's a date here. Assembled in Singapore. No date though. No date is made in China. Yeah, I could guess that. Maybe see some of these numbers signify a date. None that I recognize. Anyway, that's it. Looks like it was never used. Well, as you saw, it was in a sealed pouch, so it was never used. So it's another one of those things. I was wandering around in a ham fest, saw something on a table for $1 or what, and I go, oh, I gotta have that. And there it sat, never to be used, no dates. Oh, here's a website, www.comp-express.com. I'm going to, in background here, you won't be able to see it, I'm going to try that website. Hold on. Let's see. Comp, C-O-M-P dash express.com. Did not find. That doesn't surprise me whatsoever. Did I type it wrong? C-O-M-P dash express.com. Nope, there ain't no website. There was, let me get back to the camera here. There is, I think it still exists. There's a way that you can go back and see old websites. I don't know how to do that anymore, if it even exists. But anyway, there it is, a FM radio on a computer card for your 20-year-old computer. This one is probably going to go directly in the dumpster. Now, probably what I ought to do is contact some of these radio museums and see if they want any of this stuff. Anyway, that's it. I've only taken stuff out of the freezer from the top shelf. So I still got at least 3 more shelves and then 2 trays in the bottom that was for vegetables, I guess, to go through. So please let me know if you enjoy these shows on old stuff from my freezer. If you're not interested, let me know. I won't be upset if you leave a comment and say, Tom, you're wasting our time. We don't want to see that old crap. It's okay. I understand. That's okay. I'll just take it and throw it directly into the dumpster. Actually, the stuff I've reviewed so far didn't go in the dumpster. It's in the back of my big old Ford Explorer. I just can't throw things away. Anyway, if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. You know, I need your feedback. Is this stuff of any interest to you? Or am I just doing videos that nobody gives a crap about. Let me know. I won't get upset too much. Maybe a little depressed, but not upset. Have a great day. Bye-bye.